Everyone, my name is Gina and I would like to officially welcome you to Season Beauties. If this is your first time visiting with us on today, welcome. If you are returning, thank you so much and welcome back. Your girl really does appreciate it. Either way, if you are currently not subscribed, come on, you know what to do. Hit that subscribe button below. Become a part of the Season Beauties family. We'd be more than happy to have you. And there's more than enough room on this family tree just for you. Now, our video on today, we will be unboxing our June IPSY Glam Bag Plus. Now, for those of you who are not familiar, I'll leave all the information right down below so we don't have to prolong this at all. Now, of course, as usual, when we go to open our box, right here, it does say to you, from you. Okay, and then we have the Discover Yourself on the inside and a description card and also these goodies right here. But we're going to check them out. So let's get started. Now, the theme for June 2020 is Make Waves. All right, and it says summer is more than a season, it's a state of mind. You deserve to rock that neon liner, swipe that bright gloss, and go full on bold for you. Break your beauty rut and create a splash. Okay, so inside, it gives you 5 tips to maximize your SPF. Okay, and now, I don't know why, but IPSY no longer gives us a description and price of each of our products. So we're going to wing it. If it gets to be too much, my tablet is close by and I can go ahead and pull it up on there. But I will do that to get you manufacturer suggested retail prices, which I will list for each one and the grand total at the end. So the first item that we have is by the company Beauties. And this is the Blue Lotus 4-in-1 Cleansing Milk. And it says gently cleanses skin and removes makeup, tones and smooths, soap and sulfate free, and it's good for all skin types. And this is a 5.07 fluid ounce size. Now it says this is infused with Blue Lotus, soy milk, whole oat and white tea to gently wash away dirt, impurities, and makeup in one simple step. Nice. This soothing multitasker leaves skin pure and clean without stripping skin of its natural oils. Now it says use on damp skin and rinse lightly with warm water. Follow with pearly serums and moisturizers. And this product has a 12-month shelf life. And this is what it looks like. Okay, so this is item number 1. Then, moving right along, the second one is by Dr. Brandt. And this is the Pores No More Luminizer Primer. And it says, gives a natural looking backlight glow, revives dull complexions, helps refine the look of pores. This is a 1 fluid ounce size. And it says, light up your complexion with a combination of optical diffusers. That's what it says. Optical diffusers, illuminating crushed stardust pearls and pore perfecting ingredients to help refine and lessen the look of pores, providing a subtle sheen and a smoother canvas. Apply on clean, moisturized skin. Leave alone for a natural bounce of light on the skin or under makeup to prep your skin for a flawless application, AM and PM. I do believe I will be putting this in a giveaway because I have 2 of them already. Okay, so moving right along. The next item we have is it's by the company Pacific, and this is the Fresh Herb Origin Eye Cream with Candulas. Okay, and this says Pacific believes in healthy ingredients for strong, healthy, glowing skin. Nourish, repair damage, and soothe irritation, and revitalize the skin with naturalistic products. So let's just see. This one does have a safety seal on it. I don't want to necessarily break the seal. This is a Korean skincare brand, and this one, the expiration date, which is actually on the box, says it does not expire until 2023. So we do have quite a bit of time to use this product, which I am very happy to see. Okay. The next item that we have is by Ciate, and this is the Marble Metal collection. And this one is a metallic glitter eyeshadow. This is the outer packaging, which is always nice with Ciate as well. And look at that. Okay, wait a second, y'all. This is pretty amazing. How about it has a presser on the inside? Let me show you what I'm talking about. Can you see this right here? This is actually the presser right here. That is pretty cool. But this is a lot of product that was just sitting on the top. But it is gorgeous. So let's just see what it looks like. Yes. That's gorgeous. So you could probably use it as a highlighter or even put it on top of your shadow. Look at that right there. Definitely buildable. So you can just add to your heart's content. And it's kind of like a frosted shimmer. That's actually very pretty to me. I like that. Okay, and then yet another eyeliner, y'all. This one is the Ojo's Perfecto's liquid eyeliner. And I think I kind of got glitter shadow all over it. But nonetheless, this is by Araceli. I don't know if it's going to. There we go. It's by Araceli, which I've never heard of, but that means absolutely nothing. Now, I know that my daughter is going to take this. It has an absolutely wonderful tip. Look at that. Right there. So let's just swatch it and see. So very light. And then let's add a little pressure. Okay. And this is what it looks like. Nice. All right. Now, has it dry? Yes, it's actually dry. Okay, I touched it, but it did not smudge. So that dries very quickly, which I do like. Now, I had some points that were going to expire, so I did get Girl Power by The Balm Cosmetics, and this is the Cheeks on the Go, and it does not have, it's not sealed. So if it were sealed, I'd put it in a giveaway, but it's not sealed. I'm not gonna swatch it or anything, but I don't like to give out things that are not sealed. So, but I have nieces, I have daughters who may very well like to have it. So we'll see. And those that watch it and reach out to me, we'll see. So, and our bag this month is everybody heading for the beach. Okay? So they're all laid out on the beach. But you know what? Let me tell you something. There are some people of color on this bag. There are some plus size. There are some very slim. There is an array of women in different shades, hues, and sizes, which I definitely do like. Okay, so that is it for this month's IPSY Glam Bag Plus. I'm not exactly sure how I feel about it just yet. I do like skincare, which is a good thing because I got quite a bit of it. Just about everything in this box was skincare, minus our shadow and the eyeliner. So I'm not mad at it, but we shall see. I need to revisit my profile so I know what I should be looking forward to in each box. So I do thank you for choosing to spend time with me on today. And these are the items in our June 2020 IPSY Glam Bag Plus. And remember, regardless of the season that you are in, you will always be a seasoned beauty. Until next time.